Welcome to Aussie Gutter Protection, where we provide top quality gutter guard installation services for homes and businesses in Melbourne and surrounding suburbs. In this case study, we'll show you how we installed 92 metres of TuffMesh Ember Guard to protect the gutters of a property in Romsey. Property in Romsey, Victoria had problems with leaves, debris and other material clogging up the gutters, causing water to overflow and damage the surrounding areas. Our team of expert technicians was called in to assess the situation and provide a solution. After carefully measuring the gutter length, we recommended the TuffMesh Ember Guard material, a durable and long-lasting gutter guard solution. We chose Woodlands Grey mesh to match the roof, and Woodlands Grey trim to match the guttering, ensuring a seamless and stylish finish. Our technicians went to work carefully installing 92 metres of TuffMesh Ember Guard material, ensuring a secure and proper fit. The TuffMesh material allows water to flow freely into the gutters while preventing leaves, debris and other material from clogging up the system. And there you have it, a beautifully installed TuffMesh Ember Guard gutter guard system, protecting the gutters and ensuring the water flows freely, avoiding any potential damage to the property. Thank you for choosing Aussie Gutter Protection for your gutter guard needs. Our commitment to providing top quality products and services has made us a trusted name in the industry. Contact us today to learn more about our gutter guard solutions.